welcome back. Today, we're going to look at another way to defuse from our thoughts. So, let's begin. Make sure you're in a comfortable position with an alert posture. Let your eyes close and then start with some deep breaths. Breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Trying to make each breath longer than the last. Letting your body relax and soften with each exhalation. And now, allow your breathing to return to normal as you sit quietly for a moment. Moving now into the quiet mind exercise. As usual, pausing on the in-breath to clear the mind and trying to maintain this into the next breath. All the time staying relaxed and calm. And now, bring your attention to your breathing. Noticing the rise and fall of your chest. And now, like yesterday, just choosing a thought that fits some of the patterns we've been looking at over the last few days. And just allow those thoughts to play in your head for a few moments. And just pay particular attention to the sound of the voice saying the thoughts. Just noticing the tone and the volume. Whether it's angry or calm, quiet or loud. And again, just noticing how you are feeling now. And playing the same thought in your head again. And this time, play around with the voice saying these thoughts. Firstly, make it sound like a silly cartoon character. And now change the volume on the voice. Turn the volume down and make it sound like it's coming from far in the distance. And again, just noticing how you're feeling now. Be aware if changing the voice made a difference to how connected you were to the thoughts. And now, bringing the attention back to the breath for a moment. And now, let the mind be free to do what it likes. Just observing all the thoughts and imagery with a sense of curiosity. Now thinking of 3 things you are grateful for today, and thinking about why you are grateful for them. And now coming to the end of this session, just take a deep breath in and out. Today, we looked at changing the voice of your thoughts to help diffuse them from your feelings. From now on, if you notice any difficult thoughts, you can try gaining a little space from them by thanking your mind and trying different voices. When we create a little distance from our thoughts, we are much less likely to fuse with them, which in turn removes some of the unwanted effects on our feelings and behavior. So far, we have only looked at the fusion of our negative thoughts. Tomorrow, we will look at fusing with more positive thoughts and whether this is good or bad. So, finishing today with a gentle stretch of your arms. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and slowly open your eyes. We hope you have a great day.